Hello everyone, so today we will discuss about the hydration of alkene, that is acid-catalyzed hydrolysis, right? So it is also known as acid-catalyzed hydration. Since this is acid-catalyzed hydration reaction, so we are using dilute acid like sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid, or you can use any dilute acid. So the first step of the chemical reaction involve the nucleophilic attack, right? As we are using propene here, so propene has pi bond, and this pi bond will behave as a nucleophile, right, and attack to this acidic proton, and the bonding pair of electron will reverse back to oxygen and we will get water molecule, and the formation of carbocation intermediate will take place. So there is a possibility that either the 1 degree carbocation will form or 2 degree carbocation will form, and we all know according to hyperconjugation and inductive effect, the 2 degree carbocation is highly stable. You can say 2 degree carbocation is very stable as compared to 1 degree. So the second step of the chemical reaction, that is reversible reaction. So in the second step, water molecule will behave as a nucleophile, and we will proceed the nucleophilic addition reaction. You can see here, like this, water will attack to the carbocation center and the formation of oxonium and intermediate will take place. In the third step, you can use any conjugate base, like you can also use water or conjugate base to deprotonate the acidic proton in this way. You can see again this bonding pair will revert to oxygen atom. So in this way we will get our final product, that is 2-propanol. And remember, this is our acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. So alkene will convert into alcohol by this chemical mechanism. Thank you.